GameStop, crypto dividend rumors? What is going on? The internet is ablaze with rumors right now that GameStop is working on some very, very interesting things. GME to the moon, baby. We're going to talk about it right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Patrick here. And woo! It's some fun information here about GameStop. Crypto dividend rumors. The news is that there's a master plan coming from Ryan Cohen. Holders and retail trading conspiracy theorists are piecing together a thought-provoking puzzle. Could GameStop stock be primed for a company-triggered short squeeze? Some think a master plan is afoot. Now, there are a few things to focus on here. The first thing is that we know that GameStop sought out a blockchain analyst back in April, somebody familiar with crypto and NFTs. Secondly, it's helpful to know about how Overstock self-executed short squeeze in which the company paid out its dividends to holders in a obscure OSTK cryptocurrency. Short sellers were forced to cover their shorts or risk having the dividends dumped into their laps. They couldn't afford to pay them anyway, since Overstock only issued enough coins to reach the investors. As a result, the stock rocketed 60% in 2 weeks. Thirdly, one must be aware of the GameStop NFT website that has popped up in recent weeks, complete with its own wallet address. The website and the wallet address within suggest the company is developing an NFT platform utilizing Ethereum's protocol and token standard. The company is now involved in cryptocurrency in some capacity. The rumors on Twitter talk about how Reddit users have been gossiping over the idea of GameStop crypto dividend for months now. One user's deep dive suggests that GME can do the same thing that Overstock did while escaping the legal challenges the company faced from leaving short sellers without any crypto to buy to pay the dividend. A Twitter user is fanning the flames today with even more evidence of the theory. The user points out that GME token of some kind with a launch date of 1621626 is the unique timestamp translates to an exact date of July 14, 2021. Of course, it is Twitter and it is a rumor. Without any confirmation that this is happening, actually happening, we've got to be extremely cautious at this point. However, it's very interesting to watch and to see what unfolds. So we've got the GameStop chart pulled up here. You can see recently had a high up there at the 340, 350 area. The news is that sometime in July, they're going to issue this cryptocurrency dividend, and then that's going to create a massive short squeeze. I do like a squeeze. I do like to make money. It is a very interesting rumor. So this is actually the NFT GameStop website. Hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting on? Also, let me know down in the comments, are you holding GameStop? And how long have you been holding it? Let me know in the comments below. It's nft.gamestop.com. It says GameStop NFT, change the game. You got GameStop there. Power to the players, power to the creators, power to the collectors. It says they are building a team. That's their wallet address. They welcome exceptional engineers, designers, gamers, marketers. If you want to join their team, you can email them there. And that's all that there is on the website. So this came out a while back. There's been a lot of speculation, been a lot of hype around this and what is going on with GameStop and the idea of them selling NFTs and offering NFTs and this being the future of GameStop, which is really pretty amazing to think about when you think about it, that a company that was selling video games is now somehow going to take over the world with NFTs and cryptocurrency. So there's more speculation on Reddit talking about the dividend idea for GameStop being able to release the GME coin, talking about the blockchain and all of that stuff with GME. This is just highly speculative at this point, but that would be kind of how it goes. And like we talked about in the article, this has happened before with Overstock. Overstock pays blockchain-powered dividend 4 million shares now trading. You can see here, Overstock said today that it completed a issuance of voting series digital dividend on May 19, 2020. This was the first ever blockchain-inspired trading because of OSTKO was controversial, trading only on T0's alternative trading system, ATS, and not on multiple exchanges. Overstock said that they paid this innovative dividend to their shareholders. These preferred shares have real value and have been paid a cash dividend in each of the last 3 years. They believe they will increase participation and long-term liquidity on the T0 ATS platform, and they appreciate the support and cooperation of the investment community. So that caused a massive squeeze, and it caused a lot of frustration with shorts on Overstock when they paid this out and made this a reality. So that's why people are starting to create this rumor that GameStop could follow in Overstock's path because it's been done before. This happened back in May of 2020. So, we're only a year back, only a year out of that. There's opportunity here. There is always potential, right? This could go to the moon at some point. It'll be really interesting to see what happens. GameStop has been very volatile. It's been up, it's been down, it's been all around. We've seen some insanity coming out of this world. But right now, GameStop, we're going to see if that's going to hold. It had a gap in the chart, and we always like to say that gaps like to get filled. Well, would you look at that? That did pull back right down to that gap there at the 210, 208 area, like right there in that little point, which is kind of interesting because you can see how this, look at this, it dropped from 300 right down to that gap, filled the gap, and then we are starting to now bounce off that 220 area. So we'll see what happens with GameStop if this is going to continue to go higher. That previous resistance, that 180 area getting broken through there, rallying up there to 340, and we're going to see what happens from here. Will the GameStop dividends come in cryptocurrency? Could this cause a massive squeeze? You can see looking back in May of 2020, well, look at this action. May of 2020, when they issued those dividends, this would be May of 2020 from here. The price went up almost 600% in the stock. Pretty insane. Overstock going from almost $17, $20 area, all the way to a high of almost $130. So basically like a 600% return after they issued those cryptocurrency dividend coin things or whatever you want to call it. So that's where the rumor mill is burning, it's turning, talking about the potential GME squeeze to come based off of what Overstock did back there in May of 2020. That's the news. We're breaking it right here on the #1 channel on YouTube. Well, my grandma told me it was the #1 channel on YouTube, so I'm going to go ahead and keep running with that idea. What do you guys think? Will GameStop issue a dividend? Let me know down in the comments below. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the like button. I'll talk to you guys later on.